Aniket from TarkaShastra Academy. We are starting a new video series wherein we will be covering a lot of important topics necessary for the CAT exam. We will be explaining you the concept, then we will be solving few questions, and then if there is any shortcut, we'll explain you that as well. And we will try to accommodate it in 10 to 12 minutes. So if you have any query, if you are weak in any particular topic, just post it in the comment section. We will definitely make a video on it and explain it to you through this video series. So the agenda for today is a topic of permutation and combination. That is distribution of identical objects or finding out integral solutions of the given equation. So let's get started. So sometimes you might get questions like, distribute 15 chocolates among 4 students. So how do you write it? Student 1 plus student 2 plus student 3 plus student 4. All of them should get 15 chocolates and they should be distributed among them. And any student can get any number of chocolates. Then sometimes the equation might be like this: x plus y plus z is equal to 20. How many non-zero integral solutions are there, or how many integral solutions are there? So these are the type of questions which we are going to understand today. So in how many ways can 10 identical chocolates be distributed among 3 boys? So there are 10 chocolates and we want to distribute it among 3 boys. So how can I do it? First situation is this, that boy 1 is getting 2 chocolates, boy 2 is getting 3 chocolates, boy 3 is getting 5 chocolates. I can distribute it like this, because any student or any boy can get any number of chocolates. Then here boy 1 is getting 1 chocolate, boy 2 is getting 5 chocolates, boy 3 is getting 4 chocolates. Again, I have distributed 10 chocolates to them. Then a situation might come that I hate boy 1 and I give 0 chocolates to boy 1. Then I give 3 to boy 2 and 7 to boy 3. This thing can also be done. Or I can do it like this, that I don't give any chocolate to boy 1 and boy 2 and I give 10 chocolates to boy 3. This thing can also be done. Or something like this, that boy 1 gets 0, boy 2 gets 10, boy 3 gets 0 chocolates. So what I'm trying to do, what I have done, I have written down 4 chocolates in front of you. I have written down 10 chocolates in front of you. And then there are 2 separation points as well. So 2 separation bars as well. So I have to arrange these 12 objects accordingly. Yes or no? What I'm doing here, I'm just arranging these 12 objects. These 12 objects are 10 C's and 2 these bars, which are my separation points. If I arrange them, they will give me certain combinations, and those many combinations are possible, or those many solutions are possible, or that is how I can distribute 10 chocolates at random between 3 students or 3 boys. So how do I write the equation that boy 1 plus boy 2 plus boy 3 should get 10 chocolates? Now, the concept behind this is very much similar to concept which we have studied earlier. How we arrange the letters of the word Mississippi? How do we arrange it? So Mississippi has how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we write 11 factorial. But then S is repeating 4 times. So we divide it by 4 factorial. I is repeating 4 times. So we divide it by 4 factorial. And then P is repeating 2 times. So we divide it by 2 factorial. Now, why are we doing it? Because S is similar. S is identical. Just like we have 10 identical chocolates, here the S is identical only, no? So that is why we are dividing it by 4 factorial. So now how many objects do I have here? I have 12 objects. So I can arrange them in 12 factorial bits. Which are those 12 objects? 10 identical chocolates and 2 identical separation bars. So 10 identical chocolates. How do I, if there are 10 identical chocolates, I divide it by 10 factorial. And if there are 2 identical bars, I divide it by 2 factorial. Like this. What is this? It is 12C2. It is 12C2. And this is the formula for 12C2. Okay. So now if they say that there are 8 chocolates or 8 candies, C, 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 and I have to distribute it among 4 students. I have to distribute it among 4 students. Now, if there are 4 students, I need 3 separation bars. So first is getting 2, second is getting 1, third is getting 3, and last one is getting 2. So how many objects are there? 8 chocolates and 3 separation bars. So total 11 factorial. Now 8 chocolates are similar. So divided by 8 factorial. Why divided by 8 factorial? Just because 4 S's were similar, we divided by 4 factorial. 4 I's were similar, we divided by 4 factorial. Similarly, 8 chocolates are there, we divided by 8 factorial. Then we have 3 separation bars. So we divide by 3 factorial because these 3 separation bars are also same. So if you look at it, it comes out to be 11C3. If you look at it, it comes out to be 11C3. So this is the concept behind it. Now let us go behind solving the question through a shortcut. What are you saying? You have to distribute 10 chocolates among 3 boys. So you will write an equation like this: B1 plus B2 plus B3 is equal to 10. So the equation or the solution will be 10 plus 2C2. What is this 10? This 10 as it is. What is this 2? These 2 plus marks will come here, and these 2 plus marks will come here. That's it. This is what you have to do. If there are 3 separations, if there are 3 boys, you will have 2 separations and 2 plus marks. That is what it is saying. So it will come out to be 12C2. Why is this 2? Why is this 2? You have to understand that if there are 3 boys, I'll need 2 separation bars, no? And if there are 2 separation bars, I'll have 2 plus signs as well. So these 2 plus signs have been brought here. This is the shortcut over here. So let us say if I have to distribute 10 letters to 5 girls, 10 letters to 5 girls, how do I do it? Girl 1 plus girl 2 plus girl 3 plus girl 4 plus girl 5 should get 10 letters. So how many possible ways are there? It will be 10 plus 4, C4. What is this 4? It is the number of plus signs. It is the number of plus signs. Okay. If I have to distribute, let us say, 7 candies. 7 candies. C. And I have to distribute it among 3 boys such that each one gets at least 1 candy. This is the next type of question. In the above question, if each boy gets at least 1 chocolate. So here, each boy is getting at least 1 candy. At least 1. So what we will do, we will give boy 1 1 candy. We will give boy 2 1 candy. And then to boy 3, we will give another candy. The condition that each one should get at least 1 candy, that is satisfied. Now what I have to do, amongst B1, B2, B3, I just have to distribute these 4 candies. So B1 plus B2 plus B3, I have to distribute 4 candies. How can I do it? It will be 4. This value after the equal to marks will be 4. Then number of plus signs are 2, C2. So that is 6C2 will be the answer. 6C2 will be the answer. 14C4 will be the answer. Then what are they saying? In the above question, if each boy gets at least 1 candy, so the same condition, B1, B2, B3, we had to distribute 10 chocolates to them. Now each one gets 1 candy. So B1 gets 1 candy, B1 gets 1, B2 gets 1, B3 gets 1. Now we have 7 candies remaining, or 7 chocolates remaining. So B1 plus B2 plus B3 is equal to 7. And why 7? Because to satisfy the condition of the question, we had to give 1 chocolate to each of the boy. Because they wanted us कि हर एक को कम से कम at least 1 chocolate मिल जाए. So we satisfied the condition. Now B1 plus B2 plus B3 should be equal to 7. Because remaining 7 candies, out of the total 10 identical chocolates, the remaining 7 chocolates, I can distribute it in any manner. Because already I have satisfied the condition that at least 1 chocolate should be given. So B1 plus B2 plus B3 is equal to 7. So how I can simplify it? 7 plus 2 C2. 7 is this value after the equation. Then 2 is the plus mark. So 9C2 will be the answer. This is the shortcut and it can be applied in all the cases. Next, how to solve the equations given to you like this. So same, we want non-negative integer solutions. We want non-negative integer solutions. मतलब 0 भी चलेगा, 1 भी चलेगा, 2 भी चलेगा, 3 भी चलेगा. Okay, so A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 10. How many non-negative integer solutions? Non-negative integer solutions, if they ask, it will be 10 plus 3 because 3 plus signs are there. C3, that is 13C3. If they ask that we want positive integer solutions, then what you will do? positive integer solutions. So positive integer solutions, which means 0 will not work for us. None of them can be 0. So what we will do, we will give 1, 1 to each of them. A is 1 at least, B is 1 at least, C is 1 at least, D is 1 at least. Now, 1, 1, 1, 1 is gone to A, B, C, D. We are left with 6 only. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 6. Now, I have to divide this 6 value amongst A, B, C, D, and anyone can get 0 value as well, because the condition is already satisfied that positive integer solution, we are giving positive integer solution, each value will be at least 1. So how do we do it? 6 plus 3 C3. 6 is this value, 3 plus signs, and that is 9 C3. Next is non-negative integer solutions of A plus B plus C plus D less than equal to 15. A plus B plus C plus D less than equal to 15. How do we solve these? How do we solve it? So it can be something like this. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 15. Okay. Then A plus B plus C plus D can also be equal to 14. A plus B plus C plus D can also be equal to 10. A plus B plus C plus D can also be equal to 7. We don't know. Because it can be equal to 15 or less than 15. So in those scenarios, we get one more variable, which will make the value of A plus C, B plus C plus D plus E equal to 15. So let us say here E will be 0. Here E will be 1. Then A plus B plus C plus D plus E will be 15. Here E will be 5. So that sum of A plus B plus C plus D plus E comes out to be 15. Here E will be 8. So what we are trying to do, A plus B plus C plus D plus E will make it 15. So whatever is short, that value will be taken care by E. And whatever we are short with in A plus B plus C plus D, that value will be taken care by E. And overall, the sum will become 50. That is how we are trying to solve it. If they ask us non-negative integer solution, it will be 15 plus 4 C4. If they ask positive integer solution, then it will be, each value will get one value. It will be 10 plus 4 C4. That is 14 C4. This is 19 C4. This is how you need to solve it. So I hope that you have understood this particular concept. I am giving you homework. The questions are in the description of this video. Make sure that you practice them and post your answers in the comment section. That will give us a boost that you have understood the question. If you want to join our academy, the numbers are also given in the description of the video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.